What is up, guys? Right now I'm at Bedok Reservoir Crescent, and now I'm going to an e-bike shop. I'm going to share with you on how to change the EcoDrive front and rear tires. The reason why I'm creating this video is because I had a fall not too long ago, just this week, a couple of days ago. And usually when people fall down on an e-bike, there's only two reasons. One is he or she doesn't know how to control the e-bike well, because he or she may not be used to it, might be a new e-bike for him or her, or the floor is really wet. But anyway, let's cut to the chase, and I'm gonna show you the location of the e-bike shop as well as how to change the front and rear tires for the EcoDrive. Okay guys, right now I'm at 46 Sims Place. Here is the EcoDrive showroom, and see, they also got MFC bag over here, MFC magnetic thermal bag, all the sizes they have. And also installment plan for the 48 volt EcoDrive. They have quite a wide variety of installment plans partners with them. Grab, Shopback, Shop Now, Latitude Pay, Pace. Yeah, so if you guys want to take on the installment plan for 48 volt EcoDrive, you guys can contact this number 8752-6499. And now, first thing you see is my bike already set up on the bicycle stand, ready to show you guys. We are gonna start off by changing the front tire first. That's why it's tilted like that lah. And kind of like a tour around to see what they have over here. See, on the top right, this seat is the one that I'm using right now. The one here has dual spring suspension, so more comfortable lah. Yeah, and what the bikes that they have got rifle, foldable bicycle in gold color, very nice color. This is the PMA that they have, PMA, and they also got a couple more foldable bicycles there, their own brand, in-house brand, Drive. And what's the other one? XDS, yeah. For the EcoDrive, here are the numbers that they have now. Number 2, number 3, number 71. We got 55 here also, 70, and this red color EcoDrive here is number 1, AY1. Very rare to get 2 digit and 1 digit in fact. See, these are the one that they have here. And okay, let's start on to replace the tires for front and back. I'm gonna show you now. Okay guys, to take out the front tire, there are 2 points that you just need to look for, one on each side. This is the quick release knob over here on the right side of the bicycle, and this is the other end of the quick release knob. To take out the tire, very easy. Okay, you just need to pull out this quick release knob, and on either side you can turn this, twist this, or you can also even twist this over here on the left, on my left side. Okay, and it just comes off very easy. There we go, it's off already. And for simplicity's sake, I have actually changed a tire. I'm still gonna share with you guys later on how to change to a CST tire. This is the CST tire that I'm using, by the way. The full name of it is CST Jet 27, TPI 27. Later on the rear tire, I'm gonna share with you how to change the tire. Okay, hypothetically that you have finished changing, you're done with changing the tires. First thing you definitely need to do is that you would need to ensure that it's placed correctly. And how to tell, very simple. The disc brake obviously goes onto this side. Alright, okay, once you slot it in already, you would just need to insert this quick release. The quick release, by the way, it's on the right side of the e-bike. By the way, the washer goes to the left side of the e-bike, of the quick release. And finally, okay, the quick release cap goes in. And that's how to change the front tire. Front tire is easy. Okay guys, so I've actually put the e-bike back to the ground because we have to remove this screw over here. So this requires some force to be removed, and that's why I put it on the ground. And the very first thing that we have to get out of the way is this mudguard extension over here. And you actually can use a number 5 Allen key, and you can get those bundle of Allen key from any of the hardware shop, and you just need to use a number 5 Allen key for this screw over here. But I like to take shortcuts, so I'm just gonna use this gun to remove these 2 screws out of the way first. Okay, now this 2 has been removed. The next thing we have to do is, originally this screw cap is on this side. Okay, so you just need to get it out of the way. Use a number 18 spanner. This is a number 18 spanner to loosen this screw over here. So there we go. You turn it to this direction and turn it all the way till it's loosened. Alright. Okay, so now it's loosened. There are cable ties over here attached to the wire. The wire is attached to the controller, so remove this couple of cable ties over here. And once you're done, guys, have a look at this plug. This is the important part. Okay, this is the important part, and you just need to pull this wire out. There we go. So now the wire is out. Okay, once you're done loosening this side, just leave it there for the time being, and we move on to the other side. Same thing for this part. You gotta loosen it. It's turning to this direction instead. Just now on the other side, it is turning clockwise. So this is anti-clockwise to remove the left side. Alright. Once this side is out, you have got to remove these bricks as well. Remove these 2 screws over here and use a shortcut. Again, it is number 5 Allen key over here. Okay. Final few steps that we are left with right now is to just remove the entire wheel out of it. But you guys can see the chain is still attached to the motor hub. Now we will need number 10 spanner. Alright, number 10. Just remove it. Remove this part. You don't have to remove the entire screw because look, now it's coming loose already. Now for the final step, it's the mudguard. Remove at least two screws from the mudguard. will do. Okay, and once you have removed the screws, take out the chain. Leave the chain away to make it loose on both sides. See, now the back, it's not attached. The front, it isn't attached as well. Okay, and now I'm gonna put it onto the bike stand first. Okay, so as you guys can see, everything has been removed. All we need to do is we just need to slide it out, and by doing so, you gotta put onto a bike stand or something of that sort. And the chain over here, you guys just gotta be careful, don't stretch it too much. Slowly remove it. There we have it. That's how to remove the rear tire. Okay guys, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna remove my old tires. You guys can use a normal pump. Slowly deflate it. Alright, so once it has been deflated, what you need to do next, you guys can get maybe like more of this between tire opener. I will link it in the description later on. Okay, what you need to do is just you need to scoop the tires and slide it around. So as you can see, the tires are out on one side right now, and now for the other side, you do the same thing. So as you guys can see, I've successfully removed the rear tire. Now this is the part whereby you need to take note. So if you were to see the treading of the CST tire, you can see it goes forward, right? If you were to flip it this way, now it goes to this direction. So just take notice of how you install the tires, right? It should be installed this direction. Look at it. It should be installed this direction so it goes forward. Okay, just slot it in. Slot the tube in. Ensure that the tube is nicely tucked in. There you go. Now the entire tube is inside the tire already. Once again, do a check. The threading is the right direction. You can see there's a gap over here. So first thing you gotta do is to inflate the tube. Okay, feels about right. Alright guys, so once it's being inflated, again you just gotta scoop the tires in and just slide through. Alright. Okay, same for the other side. See, now the tire is out. You just need to scoop it in. Okay guys, so now I've changed to a new pair of shoes. As you can see, more solid looking, and I'm gonna put back the rear tire. Guys, you can see from this angle, I've pushed this. This is actually the chain, the part whereby you use this screw to tighten the chain. Okay, I've moved it to the outer part of it. The inner part of it, and the washer and the screw, it's on the outer part of it. Okay, and for the left side, it's just the screw and the washer. Okay, left side's easier. Right side, more things to take note. Okay, So before you slot it in, put the chain back. Put the chain back. There we go. And then you slot it in. And take note, there are like different angles over here. Some are flat angle, some is round. So you gotta find the flat point, flat part of it, and then you can slot it in. Right here, it's about there. There we go. Okay, this part you got to place it like that one. Because remember, how you take out is how you put it back. Alright. The wiring, hook it behind, okay, and just connect it back. And there we go. Feels about right. You hear a click sound, you are right already, okay. And all you need to do is you need to tighten this part. You need to tighten this part. You need to put back the disc brake, and of course you need to tighten this part as well. And of course, don't forget to put the chain back as well.